This 2025 Coachmen Apex Nano 184BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 20 feet 7 inches in length and features a CASINO DECOR interior, sleeps 6, microwave, skylight, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, LP detector, air conditioning, water heater, smoke detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Apex Nano 184BH is 3,305 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.